Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys doing well. Just have some random trucks and muscle cars in here. So, oops, hold on guys. Yeah, it's the 49 Ford F100. Mike Dyson sent this to me. And I'm having a hard time trying to come up with the funds. I wasn't able to get any money to send Mike his package, so I'm trying to borrow it from somebody because I want to get his package out to him because I have it set to the side. I just have to wrap it and then send it. So I'm sorry, Mike, I'm really having a hard time right now. So, and anyway, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one's 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. This is a throwback series. I love this purple. It's beautiful, but just no headlight work or tail lights or brake lights. But it's still a real nice casting. Really like the purple. Another one of my favorite colors in cars. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Alright guys. 63 Chevy 2. This one's absolutely gorgeous. This one also has no detail on front or back. And it's a great looking casting though. I love the blue. It's beautiful looking casting. I really like this one a lot. But this one, she sure is a beauty. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. 67 Dodge Charger. And Spectra Flame Orange. Beautiful. It's my one of my favorite Dodge Challengers in my collection for sure. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Great looking casting. Not a whole lot of detail front or back, but overall it's a beautiful car. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one, the 64 or 65 Ford Mustang. And had this one for quite some time now, and few of that have been in my collection for quite some time. I think I've had this since the 90s, and came from about 1989, I believe. And it's great looking. I love this Mustang. It's got the old black walls on it, and the hood does open, but not much. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one, 57 Chevy. Another purple. I kind of like these rims on this 57 Chevy. It looks really good. And I love the purple, metallic purple on this. It's really nice. I have a lot of 57s and 55s and 53s. Yeah, so this one's really nice. Glad I have this one in my collection. I have one with some cartoon thing on it, or comic book thing on the side. I just don't like that. Just I don't see very many people driving around with a comic book thing on the side of their 57 Chevy. I don't think so. Alright guys, next one. Custom 62 Chevy pickup. I love this one. I love the yellow. This one really a beautiful casting. Love this truck. It's very low to the ground. Like a brownish gold on there, or root beer brown there. Tinted windows. Beautiful truck though. I love these 62s. I have a few in my collection. Alright guys, a couple more times around. I got 5 left. And I got some real nice castings coming up. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. This one's Chevy Nova Wagon, 64 Chevy Nova Wagon. I love this one with the red lines on it. Gorgeous casting. I really like it. Yeah, she sure is beautiful. I love the paint and the detail on it. It's just absolutely gorgeous wagon. Okay guys, one more time around. We'll go to the next one. I think I got 4 left here. Yeah, I got 4 left here on this. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. 67, I believe. It's either 67 or 68 Cougar. It's from Green Light. It's got the STP motor oil. Hold on guys, I open the hood. Hood does open. It's got some real nice detail on the hood there. Beautiful looking casting. I like this Cougar a lot. So, my favorite years is 67, 68. Those 2 years are my favorite from the Cougar. And ever since I saw that one in Hot Rod magazine, early 70s, late 60s, I just fell in love with these Cougars. And I ended up getting a 71 myself with a 351 Cleveland, which came with either the Windsor or the Cleveland. I had the Cleveland, which was the bigger of the two. Had more horses in it. And it was beautiful jet black. I mean, fast as heck. Very quick off the line. Alright guys, go next one. Next one, 67 Oldsmobile 442 W30. This one also, the hood opens on this one. It's got really nice detail on the engine there. It's got like a smudge on the hood. Yeah, some way you get that off there. Buff it off a little bit. And that is just absolutely a gorgeous car. Real nice detail to it. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. 2 left. Bear with me a sec, guys. Okay, next one's a 68 Camaro, Chevy Camaro Yanko. And this one, the hood does open, I'm positive. Nope, guess not. Thought it did. Anyway, this one's beautiful casting. One car after this, and that's the last one of the night. On 11 minutes already, and this one's absolutely gorgeous. Real nice detail to it, beautiful casting. Color's not too bad. I like the white with it. Love the tires and rims on it. Great looking casting. Alright guys, let's go to the next side and we'll go to the next one. Alright guys, last one. '67 Chevy Nova Gasser. I haven't brought a gasser out that often, so I wanted to bring this one out because I love this gasser. Love the color. Real sweet looking casting. Part of the M2 gasser collection. The only one I'm missing is the 57 Chevy. And great looking casting. I really like this one a lot. Got the orange tint windows. Real nice detail to it. Alright guys, if you will, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, please subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And I'm up to 288 subscribers. I'm 12 away from 300. And so anyway guys, till 13 minutes. Take care of yourselves, be good to each other, be well, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon. Be well out there and be safe, guys. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.